Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style shrimp curry. First, gather all your fresh ingredients and spices. We'll start by building a rich, aromatic curry base using common Indian spices and fresh aromatics. Then, we'll add the shrimp, ensuring they cook perfectly without becoming tough. Finally, we'll discuss how to finish and serve this delicious dish, making it a perfect meal for any occasion. Let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. For the aromatic base, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of fresh ginger. For our spice blend, measure out 1 teaspoon each of ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Also, have 1/2 cup of full-fat coconut milk on hand to add a creamy texture to our curry. Now, let's build that incredible curry base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become soft and turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the ginger and garlic paste, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add the turmeric, cumin, and coriander powders, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds. It's time to add our star ingredient. Introduce the shrimp to the fragrant curry base and cook them for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until they just begin to turn pink. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of coconut milk and bring the curry to a gentle simmer. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the shrimp are perfectly cooked through but not overdone. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro before serving hot with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.